welcome back to another episode of Central Science to Go.
We are your hosts. I'm Giada.
And I'm Mia.
And I'm Derek.
Derek, are you eating your Halloween candy again?
Can you blame me? It's fruity and delicious and just so They're the crazy ones for not eating it.
Derek, look at your hands. They're so sticky and gross.
You're right, my hands are rainbowy. Speaking of...
No more candy! So why would your hands get so colorful? Were they wet?
Yeah, they are kind of wet. It must have been sweat. I get really sweaty when I have to choose between Reese's and gummy bears.
So you're saying your sweaty hands made the Skittles color come off?
I don't really know. Is that what I'm saying?
There's no time for candy right now. We need to figure out why the Skittles left a rainbow on your hand. You know what we do with a great question? We research and investigate!
Aha! After much research, we learned that everything around us is made up of tiny things called atoms. Atoms form to make tiny molecules.
Molecules are too small for the human eye to see, but if we could see them, they would look like this.
Skittles are made up of sugar molecules that are coated in food coloring. Water is made up of H2O molecules.
When Skittle molecules and water molecules meet, it's called diffusion, and it happened on my hands.
Now it is up to you to see diffusion for yourself.
All you need is water, Skittles,
Or two.
And paper plates. Put the water into your plates.
Now put your Skittles on the plate.
Hold up!
Are you stopping us because you want to eat the Skittles?
No, I'm stopping you because we're scientists and we need to make a hypothesis, and I want to eat the Skittles. Now it's time to make a hypothesis. Will the Skittles diffuse in the water?